Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how you could transfer money from your bank account right into your PayPal account. So you obviously need a PayPal account and your bank account linked to it. In the previous tutorial, I showed you how to create a PayPal account and link a bank account to it. So if you haven't seen that, check that out in the description. But let's jump into paypal.com. This is the easiest way to do this, by using paypal.com and not the mobile app. I'll show you the mobile app overview right at the end of this video, but let's go ahead and press login here. We want to log into our PayPal account at paypal.com. I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. I already have my email and password. So now on this page, we want to add money to this PayPal balance. So it's gonna come from our bank account and go in this PayPal balance, so we could use this PayPal balance to send money or pay for things. To do that, we have a couple of ways to do it. Let me show you one of them. That's by pressing these three dots next to your balance. I'll show you another way in a second. If you press this, you should see add money. If you press add money, what's gonna happen is you're gonna get a new dialog box here, and this is your PayPal wallet to add money. So add money from your bank. Again, if you press this drop down, you should have the different bank accounts here to choose from, and it will take 3 to 5 business days to go from your bank to your balance, to your PayPal wallet here. That's this amount. So if you were transferring $10 from there to here, that's what you would have to put here, or depending on your currency, you could put that here and press add. Let me go back here and show you a different way. Another way is to press transfer money right under the balance here. And even if your balance is 0, you should still see this option. Some people have transfer money option or something like this in a version of PayPal that they're using, but this is the version that is rolled out in 2019. I'm gonna press transfer money here. And here you could transfer to your account. So I could take money from my PayPal balance and take it to my account, basically taking it out. But here we want money in, transferring money to your balance. That's what this video is about. Press that. And again, you should see the same window that I showed you a minute ago, where you could take money from your account and add it to your balance here. If you don't have an account linked up here, let me scroll to the bottom of the page. And under this section, bank and cards, if you press these three dots, you could go to bank and cards or link a card or a bank account. As you could see, I have multiple accounts linked up here. I could press this here and I could link a debit or credit card or link a bank account. So you definitely want to do this option if you haven't done so. And by doing so, you could change and transfer money from your bank to your PayPal. Let me show you the mobile app just for a few seconds here, just so you see the same process quickly. So go ahead and search for PayPal in the App Store or the Google Play Store if you don't have it. I downloaded it and I'm gonna open it up here. So here you definitely need to log into the same PayPal account that I showed you on the desktop. Same login password applies here. I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. And here on the mobile app, you should see the same screen here. So your PayPal balance, if you press the three dots next to it, you could again add money from your bank or transfer money. So if I press add money from my bank, I could again do the exact same thing, type in an account here and then press next and add money from my bank. It's super simple on the mobile app to do this. If I press the three dots, I could always go to the transfer money window too, where this is actually gonna give me some instant access to my money, the ones that don't take 3 to 5 days with a 1% fee. So you could actually take advantage of this option here on the mobile app. Let me go back here, and that's how simple it is on the mobile app to transfer money from one bank account to your PayPal balance. I hope you found this video useful. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for daily tech videos, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.